Is all that amazing art you're making just kind of sitting on your hard drive? Well, it can be making some serious do-re-mi, dude, cash money, bazingas. That's what I'm talking about, baby. No, but seriously, I made this platform called PixelFindr for developers, for game devs. It's pretty cool. I just noticed that devs are constantly complaining about buying these huge, massive asset packs for 50, 100 bucks, and really they only need like one or two things out of the asset packs. So it's pretty inefficient from the devs POV, which is why I built this thing called PixelFindr. It's a platform where devs subscribe, they get credits, and can license art assets. Because it's a credit-based system, like a dev can go and they can search like 2D tree, for example, and then it's a big list of every single 2D tree on the entire platform, and they can get just the 2D tree that they want for 1 credit. And I mean, if they want to get the whole asset pack that the artist made with the 2D tree, they can still do that. Obviously, it's costs them more credits to do that, but it also spurs more creativity from the game devs POV because they're not like limited to like, you know, kind of taking an investment in this one pack. They can take the good 2D tree they just downloaded and they can mix it with another artist pack of, you know, like mountain backgrounds, whatever, you know, something like that. But there's a cool opportunity for you as an artist to start uploading, you know, your existing assets that you have onto the platform, because you earn up to 80% of the platform's monthly recurring revenue. So put simply, let's say there's $100 of monthly recurring revenue and only 10 credits get spent on the platform that month. Let's say 3 of those credits get spent on your assets. That would mean that you earn $30 that month. It's better than all other asset marketplaces, which take at least 30%. And I hope you can see that PixelFindr is a much better platform than those other marketplaces. And that's why I'm super excited to work with you guys and build this thing up. So let me know if you have any questions, but that's kind of the skinny. You'll have an artist dashboard where you can kind of see like what of the assets that you've uploaded are performing or getting downloaded the most, and so that'll help you like gauge like, you know, what you can focus more on, what you can upload more of, help you get, I don't know, just insights to help you get more of that rev share, baby. So let me know if you have any questions. I would love to work with you guys, and peace out, yo.
2 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more